Coachella, Ella, Ella, eh, eh. Hey everyone, how you doing? If you are new here, I'm Nicole Concilio, and I have a stuffy nose. I'm so sorry, guys. I think my allergies are just kind of acting up. It's been raining a lot in LA recently, and when everything rains in LA, all the dust and particles and crap gets swept up into the air, and yeah. Sorry, you kind of have to listen to my nasally voice. So today's video, I wanted to do a Coachella inspired video. 'Tis the season for festival makeup. I'm so excited. I am going to Coachella weekend 1. I can't wait to see Beyonce and Cardi B. Oh, gonna be shook. For today's video, I have teamed up with IGK Hair to bring you this Coachella look. We are going to be using their new FOMO. So we have two colors here. We have Moonrock and Meteor. Now this foam is really, really cool because it comes out of your hair in like one wash and it's super easy to use. And I'm very, very excited to try this. And it's like perfect for the festival season. So I am going to first start off with my hair because personally, from going to Coachella and like being at multiple music festivals, I feel like your hair is the most important part, almost more than makeup in certain ways, because your hair just gotta be on fleek. Because for me, when I go to Coachella, I actually try to wear minimal makeup because it's so hot there. Let's get going with my hair, shall we? So first I'm gonna go in with the First Class Charcoal Dry Shampoo from IGK Hair, and I'm just going to use this to kind of zhuzh up my life. God. So this First Class one is like a heavy duty dry shampoo. We're talking like maybe 4 or 5 days in heavy duty, okay? The charcoal ingredient in this kind of like lifts and absorbs any of the oil, the sweat, and the dirt that you may have in your hair. So what I like to do is, honestly, you guys know I have keratin bonded extensions. My actual hair is like about this long, so we're getting there, But for me, it's never really my extensions that get kind of oily or greasy looking. It's always this section of my head. So what I like to do is take a little section here and spray right at the root. Now also, the really bomb thing about this is that it won't leave any like residue. You know how sometimes dry shampoo does that? And then I kind of just rub it right on in. Do the same thing back here. Just zhuzh her right on in. Just keep it going, keep it moving, keep it growing. We ain't got time to take a shower. No, but for real though, like, I hate washing my hair. Like, it's like the worst thing ever. And then now I like to kind of spray this whole section here, like the top of my head. For this part, I am gonna have the can pretty far away because even though there is no residue, I don't want there to be too much. So now what you could do is take your hands. If you have acrylic nails, oh girl, these will be your best weapon. I feel like my acrylic nails zhuzh it up even more. And I kind of just rub it through like that. Your hair should look kind of crazy and voluminous because that's kind of what dry shampoo does. It absorbs all the oil and it is really good for people who have kind of flat hair like myself. I mean, you can already see, obviously this looks a little nuts, but you can see from me kind of zhuzhing it around that you get so much more volume. And there we go. I have this nice IGK hair comb. I'm just going to kind of comb and brush my hair through. My hair is just blow dried. I didn't straighten it or anything like that. I kind of wanted it to be more wild because I feel like Coachella hair is more wild and messy rather than tamed. And you guys know messy and wild hair is kind of my forte. So I'm just going to kind of leave my part the way that it is. I might clean it up a tad bit. And what I want to do is play around with some bobby pins. I want to play around with the color. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is play around with the FOMO, and I'm going to use Moonrock because pink hair is freaking amazing. This also is infused with vitamin-rich sea kelp, which is really cool, really great for your hair. That's what I love about IGK. A lot of their products are so amazing, and I use them on a regular basis. So this is just an honor to be able to do a video with a company that I love. So the best way to do this is kind of disperse a little bit in your hands, kind of rub it through your hands, and you can just see even by this how cool it is. And I'm going to start to rub it through my hair. I'm actually going to play around with both of the colors since I do have pretty dark roots. Unfortunately, my roots are dark. Look at how cool that shift is, guys. And the foam is so easy to use and work with. So I kind of want all of the drama to be on this side of my hair. So that is kind of why I'm going for that. So I'm going to use more of the pink part on the lower part of my blonde hair. Kind of rub it through there. This is so cool. I'm loving this. So just keep on fluffing it through. And then I'm going to use the darker one so that you get a little bit more dimension towards my roots. But you guys can see the pink really coming through on the blonde, which I'm going to do even more. So fun. I low-key want to do my whole head. I need to take it easy. Take it easy. Look at my hands. They look like literal mermaids. So then I'm going to take Meteor, I'm going to mix this together, and I'm going to put that more towards the root of my hair so you can really see that blue kind of fade to pink. Oh, this is so sick. I'm loving this. This is so cool, you guys. Damn. Living. So I'm gonna add some more blue right here because I kind of want my hair to be a little bit pulled back. I'm gonna do a little trick that I used to do when I was in high school all the time. It's for people that don't really know how to do French braids on themselves but want to make it look like you do. Kind of just brushing it through there. My hands look so cool. So what I'm going to do is take the IGK comb that I have and kind of just brush this through. And I'm going to add even more pink. So what I want to do is kind of take a section of my hair and start twisting it. So I'm starting off kind of high here. And I'm just going to start to twist and then pull from this section and twist. It's almost like a French braid, but not really. It's like twisting instead. But this is like one of my favorite things that I used to do because I used to hate having my hair in my face, and especially at any festival, I feel like if I have my hair in my face, it's like the worst time ever. So I kind of want to pin this back, and I have some bobby pins from Sephora that I'm going to be using, and I'm kind of just going to pin it in the back here, like so. And you want to make sure that it's secure, so I'm going to be adding 2 bobby pins. And then now we kind of have this section here, and you can really see the blue shining through, but I really want to see more pink down here. So I'm going to take some more of that pink. And the cool thing about this is that it doesn't make your hair hard or feel like crunchy or anything. This is the coolest thing. And I'm just going to rub this through my hair like so. And it just adds like the coolest little tone to it. Do it even more throughout my hair. Just have a blast with it, honestly. So I'm just going to get up a little bit so you guys can see. Kind of rubbing it through. And I low-key like that all the drama is on one side. It's very Coachella. And what you could do is take your comb and kind of brush it through even more. Looks really, really cool. Guys, I love this. I love the blue and the pink. Living. So I have some gems here, and what I'm going to do is use the texture spray from IGK Hair. This is called Beach Club, and I'm just going to spray a little bit of my hair. This isn't necessarily a hairspray or anything like it, but I do like the texture spray a lot because I do feel like it adds a little bit of like a hairspray kind of fit to it. So since we kind of have blue here, I'm going to be taking more of my blue gems that I have. So just adding some of these blue gems, pink gems, and just like random spots. I feel like the higher up they are on your scalp, the better. So try to make them more like towards the top of your scalp. Put them more on the top of your head. These do have their own kind of like sticky adhesive to them, so it's very easy to use. That is why I like these random gems, because I feel like they just look really pretty in your hair. They're easy to use. And you can really go as far back as you want. I'm not going to go too crazy with as far back. More like focusing it on this part of my hair. Damn, I really wish my allergies weren't acting up. I feel like I sound so annoying. Okay, guys, that looks so cool. And I'm kind of liking that this part of my hair is more like carefree, and this is like where all the drama is. So what I'm gonna do is add a little bit of that texture spray just to this side of my hair, just to make it more wild and crazy, less tamed. So I'm just gonna kind of zhuzh it up a bit. And for even more glitter, I'm gonna be taking the Preparty hair strobing spray from IGK and just add some glitter, hunty. Oh, I love it. You can also use this for your body, I feel like, if you wanted to. Like, look at that. Oh, yeah. Let's do that. Why not? Okay, guys, so this is it for the hair portion. I'm gonna go wash my hands and let's get on with our face. So I just got in the mail the new Urban Decay Back Talk palette. This is like a more monochromatic of like pinks, and I feel like it goes perfectly with the FOMO, the hair that we got going on here, the blue and pink vibes. So let's go in with the shade Back Talk, and I'm going to use that as a transition shade up in the crease here. I already have my base down. We have my eyebrows done, my foundation. Nothing really has changed with that, honestly. And I feel like if you're at a music festival, you should try to go as light as you can on the foundation. I'm wearing a very lightweight foundation. I'm using Tarte Rainforest of the Sea, which I know is really good for situations where it's really hot and humid. So the next shade I'm going to go into is WTF, and I'm just going to be taking that into my crease and then doing the same exact thing over here with this eye. And then on the whole lid, I'm going to be taking the shade Attitude and just packing that on. So for me, whenever I go to Coachella, I'm not really a big fan of like doing a lot of winged liner or anything. So I kind of just like to do a thin black line. So I'm going to be going in, if I could find it, with the Smashbox Always On liquid eyeliner. And I'm just going to make like a very thin black line. Nothing really out of the ordinary here. This is honestly just to kind of map out where the lashes are going to be, because I feel like it gets a little difficult for me to put on falsies without having at least a little bit of liner on. Okay, guys, I popped on some Lily lashes in the style Miami. These are my favorite lashes ever. So what I want to play around with is I just got these Milk makeup stamps. I have one that's a heart and one that's a star. I kind of want to play around with the star. I think all you do is kind of like a quick dab. Let's pray to the heavens that I don't mess this up, because that could be really risky. So I'm going to do one quick. That is so cool. I love that. I'm going to do one more here. So cool. Bitch. I'm shook. This is like the easiest thing ever. Okay, sick. I love that. I love the stars. Gonna add one more for good luck, because why the hell not? Another one for good luck, and one more for good luck. Oh my god, I love that. Okay, cool. That worked out so bomb. And then what I want to do is take some of the gems that we were working with. I'm going to take a blue and pink one and kind of put it on the inner corners of my eyes. So I'm going to take this guy and put him right there. Oof, almost poked myself in the eye. And take a pink one and put it right underneath it. So that way it kind of offsets the stars we have going on here. And I'm also going to add to the outer corner of the eye as well. So I'm just going to put my hair behind my ears, add a blue one, and then a pink one right underneath it. So for highlighter, going back into the Back Talk, is that what it's called? Back Talk? Back Talk, yeah. Palette, I'm going to be mixing Low Key and Cheap Shot. And I'm going to be using that as like a pink highlighter right here. You can always, I'm going to intensify it way more so that we have kind of like a pink vibe going on here, a little iridescent pink. And then for liquid lipstick, I'm using Throwback Jam from Smashbox. This is kind of like a little pink vibe I've been going with, if you can't tell. And then I'm going to finish off with my Smashbox Primer Water. A little shameless plug. This is Serene Greens, so I'm just going to spritz this to make sure my makeup is in place. And this is perfect for Coachella because you can also use it to refresh and hydrate your makeup throughout the day. Alright guys, and this is the finished Coachella look. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope that this was fun to watch. Leave me a comment down below if you guys are going to Coachella, if you're going to any music festivals. I'm so interested in what you guys have to say. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!